Choosing a wealth manager means trusting them with your financial future. And when you invest with a platform like StashAway, a crucial question is, who is keeping them accountable? The answer depends entirely on where you are investing. StashAway is a multinational company, and its operations are regulated by the primary financial authority in each region. Let's break down the three key regions: Singapore, Malaysia, and the MENA region. In Singapore, StashAway is regulated by the nation's central bank and financial watchdog, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS. StashAway was actually the first robo-advisor to be granted a full capital market services license for retail fund management by MAS in 2017. This license is the highest level of regulatory approval for a fund manager, allowing them to provide investment advice and manage assets for all types of investors. Moving across the causeway, in Malaysia, StashAway is licensed by the Securities Commission Malaysia, or SC. Specifically, they operate under a capital market services license for fund management, which falls under Malaysia's Digital Investment Management Framework. This allows them to offer their services to both retail and sophisticated investors in the country. Finally, in the Middle East and North Africa, or MENA region, StashAway's regional entity is based and regulated in the UAE. StashAway management is regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority, or DFSA, which is the independent regulator of financial services conducted in the Dubai International Financial Center. The bottom line is that StashAway is not a single entity under one regulator. They are licensed and overseen by a dedicated, top-tier financial regulator in every jurisdiction they operate in. This multi-layered regulatory structure ensures your funds are protected and the platform adheres to strict local and international standards, no matter which market you are investing from. Always remember to check a financial institution's license details on the regulator's official website for full transparency.